Alright, those girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Wednesday, that means it's your day. Wish Wednesday. You wish for songs, I help you to play them, and that's the deal. So thank you for being here on this channel, especially you, Esperanza. A long time ago you wished for this song. It's from Bada. It's called Bay Part 2. I think that is an artist and the song title. But then is also added L'amour, la musique et la force Bondyé or something like that. I googled it and I got a hit on the translation of the music is the power of God. I'm not sure if that is featuring some artist, or that's the name of that, or just an added title to it. I'm not sure. Maybe you know. Leave me a comment if you know something about that. I know how to play it, and that is what we're gonna focus on right now. So, thank you for being here on this channel. You, Esperanza, and all you people watching. And if you have a song, somebody out there you want to learn, hit me a comment, read everything, put you on the list, and we'll see when it's time to shine for you guys. Now, let's go into this Bay Part 2 song. We have a setup here, the absolute best one. Capo on first, that is the best scenario for us. If you don't have any capo, then you can maybe buy one. That will make your life simple. But for now, if you don't have any, skip that one, follow the same patterns, chords, notes, and all that good stuff. It will sound a bit darker, but just follow the same chords. That's the best scenario. So let's go into it. 4 chords: A minor, F, C, and G. I'm gonna start with A minor first. Open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next is a bar chord, F. So you place your index finger, crossing all strings there on the first fret. Push down that, and then you need to add third on A, third D, and second G. Next is the C, and that will be third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And finally you have the G, and that will be third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. And that is a chord progression that follows through the entire song. We're first going to focus on that melody, that beautiful melody of the song. So we're going to do it chord by chord, starting with A minor. That part goes like this. Okay, so what I do, I basically hold the chord as it is, A minor, and I play open A together with first B, then second D, then open B, then back to second D, and then second G, a short pause there, and then comes, and I play the first fret B string, then I pull off. I don't pick the next note, I pull off to get the open B, and then I play the second G, and then I pull off to get the open G. So this pull-off technique makes it smooth, and you don't have to work too much with your strumming picking hand. So you just pick the first B and second G. You snap off the other opens. So that's the A minor part. So okay, then we hit this F area. So I hold the full chords as they are, I think so, because then I'm ready for the strumming that comes later on. So you don't have to, because you're not working with all the strings when you play this picking patterns, but I do it in this case. So I play like this. Okay, so what you do here is to play the first fret E string in the bass together with second G, then open G, and that open G, I try to mute it. They do it in the song, so I don't let it ring out too much. Not like this, but more like. So I place my fingers on top of that string. This is some extra technical stuff there. The most important thing is the notes here, but yeah, if you want to do it correctly, then I do it like that. So first fret E string together with second G, then open G, and then again first E together with second G, a short pause, and then first fret B string and then I hammer on to get the third B. This one. I don't pick that one, I hammer on. In the same way as we pulled off before, I hammer on to get that note. Again, it's smooth, you don't have to work too much with your picking hand. So, that is the F part. Then we go into the C area, it goes like this. So, 3rd fret A string together with open high E. Then open G, 3rd B, back to open G, and 1st B. A short pause, and then 1st B, and then I hammer on again to get the 3rd B. And that's it for C. And then we have the final part of G, it goes like this. So it goes 3rd fret E string in the bass together with open B, then open D, 2nd G, open G, and then open B, short pause, and then comes this part. It's 1st fret B string, open B, 2nd G, and finally open B. And that ends one round, and then you start all over again. And that goes through entire song, this melody. So slowly, I'm going to take down the tempo a bit for you to understand what's going on. Let's play one round. Yes, there we have it. Now, we can also play this with strumming. I made this very simple for myself and for you guys. And this is kind of an irregular strumming beat that goes on here. But to have something to hold on to, I play like this. Okay, for one round. So, what you do here is hold the full chords. Now, of course, you're going to start with A minor. And one string round is down, up, clap, up, down, up. So you start with down, up, then a clap, and you continue with up, down, up. So down, up, clap, up, down, up. And if you play this strumming, you want to play 2 string rounds per chord in the same order. So A minor 2, F2, C2, G2, like this. Alright guys, so there you have it. Especially you, Esperanza, this is the song you wished for. Bada Bay Part 2. Okay, so beautiful song, never heard it before. Thank you for highlighting that, Esperanza, and I hope you enjoy this. If it was helpful, please at least leave me a like or so. And for all the other guys out there watching this, yeah, it's open, guys. You can wish for songs whenever you wish and want. And we will see about the Wednesdays when it's your time to shine. Thank you for watching. Till next time, play tuned.